Learn to create videos from text with Canva's AI video generator and get a bonus tip on bringing images to life. Let's get into it. There are 2 ways you can access the AI video generator. Option 1, head to the Elements tab and scroll down to the AI image generator, then click Generate Your Own. Now click on Videos. Option 2, click on Apps, then scroll slightly down and pick Magic Media. Then select Videos. Next, type a description of what you want to see in your video in the prompt box. If you need some inspiration, hit the Inspire Me button. Go ahead and click on Generate Video. The AI generates a 4-second video for you. Click on the video to add it to your design. If you want to use it as a background, right-click on it and select Set Video as Background. You can extend the duration of the video slightly by reducing the video speed. To do so, click on the video and select Playback from the toolbar at the top. Move the slider to adjust the speed. You can also use the video generator to animate images you've just created using Canva's image generator. Simply click on the 3 dots inside the image you want to bring to life. Then, hit the Generate Video button. If you haven't tried the image generator yet, watch my step-by-step guide to get started. To find your previously generated videos, go to Projects and select Videos. If you're a Canva Pro user, you get 50 credits per month. Canva Free users get 5 one-time credits. Thanks for watching and happy creating!